Right, so I think it's the 11th of January. Hope everyone had a good Christmas and New Year. For me it was pretty much ordinary days really. There was no family or that to go to, so it was just an ordinary day. Anyway, I'm going to have a look at Bess. I've been doing a few little bits to her. And it is not raining today. Here she is. Let's have a look inside. Really bleak this time of year. Where are we? Oh. Hold on. Have to put you down for a sec. Ouch! Bang me head. Right, let's get a light on the subject. Oh, you may wonder what that is. I just bonded a piece of wood up there. So I've got to put a frame around this hatch. And the same around there. You can see I've been doing some more insulating, a little bit at a time. Getting there gradually. I just need to, there's a couple of little bits of weld sticking out of this that I've noticed. So I need to grind those off. So I can get, this bit was alright, but the rest of it is going to be a problem unless I grind those little bits off. So, well, before I forget, I did send you a message on the app, Pollenhead. Thanks very much for the coffees, I really appreciate that. I've got a roll mat with the money, or some of the money. So next time I go camping I can have a little bit of comfort. There will be some more camping videos coming up. I've got a really good tent, a really rare tent. I'm going to keep that a secret till I make sure it's all right. I've got to put it up somewhere. That'd be a laugh. I might do a video on that actually, because I've never put a tent up in my life, so it could be disastrous. Anyway, it's an old it's an army surplus tent, but as far as I'm aware, they are quite rare, and it will be good for any weather. So yeah, Christmas is a bit of a, well, I could get depressed, but I don't. But there was no Christmas dinners, there was no parties, no cards, no presents, nothing like that. So, a bit of an ordinary day really. Yeah. Anyway, people far worse off than me. Far worse off. So this year I hope to get Bess this finished at some point. She will have to come out of the water, but I don't think they can do it here, so at some point I will move on. I'm not sure when. I've joined the gym. When did I join it? Sort of beginning of December. Yeah, I've done at least a month. So that's good. That helps with depression. And I need to get a job. Seriously need to get a job. I am absolutely skint. I had some bad luck over Christmas, in between Christmas and New Year. because I own a flat that I rent out. It doesn't bring in much money, to be honest. It wasn't an expensive flat, but I stupidly didn't have insurance on it because I didn't really think I needed it. I got insurance against the rent not being paid, but not sort of damages. And my lodger, I don't know how long they've been loose, but there was a couple of loose tiles in there, in the shower. Anyway, basically downstairs, the flat downstairs, above his shower unit went through because these tiles have been letting water through in. And anyway, it took a little bit of his ceiling down, shall we say. Jesus. Do you know what the bill was, or what it would have been? 2,600 quid to put up a bit of fucking plaster, so excuse my language, to put up a bit of plasterboard and to redo a bit in my shower. But luckily, thank God, a mate of mine, another boater, used to be a plasterer, and he used to do all sorts of maintenance on properties. He's built houses from digging the foundations right the way up to doing everything. And I really owe him. He did the job did the work for nothing for me. It saved my arse, I tell you. So it just cost me materials, but it's put a big dent in my money. So I think I might have to rattle the YouTube tin soon. Oh God, I need to get a job. I seriously need to get a job. So, a bit tongue-tied today. I don't know what else to say really. I've got to put I've got this wood. These small bit. So this is what's going around the hatch, and it'll be going on little bits of it onto the walls here, so that I can then do the rest of the woodwork. I've got to alter the flue pipe on this fire because it's not sealing properly at the bottom. What else? Well, there's loads of stuff to do, but it's getting there slowly, very slowly. Hopefully I can take Bess out. I reckon maybe February. Perhaps I'll take her out February. Oh, let me show you. Show you in here, because I don't think I've shown you in here before. So this is right up the bow. Now I still haven't finished it, but I've plastered it with black, and you can see where it's all run down. I've been painting the top. There's still bits to do up there. You can see there's quite a bit of room in here. Anyway, a bit of water there, I don't know where that's come from. Oh yeah, you see it running down. I have to check where all these little holes are coming from, all these little bits of, must be a little hole somewhere. Anyway, we'll sort that out. That piece of wood there is just to give me something to rest on when I'm painting in there. Right. Anyway, I shall catch you in another video. I'll bring you back when I've finished this hatch off, so you can see the progress. Catch you later.